Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Haino Teko call device. First, ensure your device is fully charged. This usually takes around 2 hours for initial use. Next, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and also on your Haino Teko device. This crucial first step prepares both devices for a smooth and successful connection process, getting you ready for seamless communication. The next vital step is to download the correct companion application. Look for a QR code on your Haino Teko device's packaging or directly on its screen. Scan this code to easily find and download the official Haino Fit app from your phone's app store. This application is essential as it acts as the bridge between your smartphone and your Haino Teko device, enabling all its smart features. Now let's connect your device. Open the Haino Fit app on your smartphone and locate the Devices or Add Device section. Your Haino Teko device should appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap to connect. During this step, you will be prompted to grant several permissions, such as access to your contacts and call history. Accepting these is crucial for your device's full functionality, especially for making and receiving calls. With your device paired, it's time to enable its call features. Verify that your phone shows 2 Bluetooth connections for your Haino Teko, one for the device itself and another for call audio. You can now access the dialer or your synced contacts directly from your watch to make calls. Remember to also enable notification access within the Haino Fit app to receive incoming call and message alerts directly on your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.